So guys, story of the week. Like 4 hours ago, this was full of potatoes. There were still potatoes, but these were potatoes. Amazing potatoes. And we all dig them out. You already know what I'm going to do. And we also built this wall. Do you like our wall? Thank you, really, our beautiful wall. And then we brought them here and we sorted them by size. And so these are the normal size potatoes, and we took the biggest potatoes for the potato and for the potato for the potatoes. And then you already know what I'm gonna say, eh? If I need the big potatoes. Oh, 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 what are they going to be? So then here we all cooked them, they all cut them. Then now we pre-bake them, and now look. Oh,
and if you this one was smiling.
Yeah, if you need to eat it. You can hear from the crunch, it's nice, eh? And then and if you eat them, so I'm gonna take one. Look at the inside, it's still soft. It's so amazing, guys. We did a good job. I feel I'm a real Belgian now. I can give 2 tips. 1. Don't do it with fresh potatoes. Leave them out for like 2 or 3 days, because else you will constantly need to your oil will overflow because there's too much water in them. And 2,
don't leave them in the water.
Yeah, no, leave them in the water. It's just because they were too young. 2 is get 3 other people to help you peel and cut the fries. Very important. Allez, guys, see you later.